2023 Chevy Colorado key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, on the left side of the remote, there's a button right here that we're going to press and hold down with our thumb, and then we're going to pull out the emergency key. Now, once we have the emergency key pulled out, we're going to flip it over with the buttons facing down. We're going to take off this back panel right here. You're going to use a small flathead screwdriver, put it in this slot here, give it a little pry. Okay, it doesn't take much force. Take this cover off. And once you have it off, here's your battery right here. These two slots here are used, so you get your flathead screwdriver underneath it and pull your battery out. Okay, the battery size is going to be a CR2450 with the positive sign facing out towards us. It goes down on the bottom first, slides in like that. You need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can buy one if you need one. And then you get the cover and you put it on the top first. Okay, and work your way down, unlock it in. Get your emergency key, slide it back in, and if it locks in, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was quick and straight to the point, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.